Do you have a video of what it's like being in your trading chat room? What does it look like? And that is a very good and common question, so I want to get this video made just to help those of you out that have something very similar in regards to what this person was wondering about. So let's just first start with that second question. What does it look like? We use Discord for our chat room provider. So if you know what Discord is, if that term means something to you, well, there you go. You know what it looks like. If you're sitting there saying, Clay, the Discord doesn't mean anything to me. Fine, I will show you that here in just a little bit, so not a big deal at all. But what it looks like, we use Discord. Now, I should also note that part of the community is a weekly newsletter that I also send out. But like I said, as far as this, because the question was revolving around how does the chat room work, what does it look like, I want to stick strictly with the chat room here, but also notice part of the service does include a weekly newsletter. So let's get into this example, and hopefully I don't need to say this, but just to make sure, please don't think that I'm making the claim that the example you're about to see happens every single time so that if you sign up, then money will begin raining down from the sky. Not quite how it works. Like I said, hopefully I didn't need to say that, but I wanted to just play it safe. But let's take a look at this alert, which will also show you that have no idea what Discord is, actually what it looks like. So first off, I want to point out that Discord does allow the ability to post pictures, which is what you see right here. And then with the picture, you can then leave any sort of comment. And then this is just like any chat room, another message pops up and they just follow one another. But in this situation here, I posted this picture and the key dynamic was that yellow line, which I also pointed out, NDX bounce point trend line. So that's what I was questioning. Is that yellow line going to provide a bounce if the price were to go down and touch it? And this right here, I think illustrates very, very well why it's powerful, why it's good to be thinking about and wanting to join any sort of community, because you only have two eyeballs and sometimes you just miss seeing something. And for some people out there, I can confidently say that they didn't quite take note of that trend line, which again is perfectly fine. I miss things all the time as a trader. I only have two eyeballs, I'm a human. But that's why, again, when you surround yourself with quality traders, it doesn't guarantee success, but at least you know you have other quality eyeballs out there searching for good, solid setups. And then this was the rest of the story. You can see that the price did indeed go down to that yellow line right there. And did it hit it exactly? It did not. But hopefully we can all agree, did it get very, very close? Absolutely. So it got close to there, and then you can see it did indeed bounce very nicely. And then there are other alerts, similar, different. We have a variety. We have stock traders, options traders, futures traders, crypto traders. So we have a variety of people. But if you're someone that does like to use technical charts, then you will fit in very, very nicely. And also on that note, if your favorite thing is like a cash flow statement or an income statement, yeah, you would be a fundamental trader, probably not going to really fit in that well with us. But if you're someone that likes to use candlesticks and moving averages and just technical charts, we are a group of tactical traders, so that's something to keep in mind also. And then also, if you would like even more details of what's included and what it is like, I've done a behind the scenes tour here, so I would put a link to this video down below. So again, if you want more details, click on that link and then check out this video. So just to conclude things, if you're a technical trader and you want to have visual representation, you want to have other eyeballs searching for things, then that would be a situation where, you know what, this chat room could, I would, obviously I'm biased, but I think the chat room could really help you out. So once again, if you want more details, just down below in the description section, I will put the link to that behind the scenes tour. You can go get a more idea of things, but I should also note that in that video, we don't use Discord as a software yet. So that would be the one difference, but everything else will be the same, the way things flow and everything like that. The other difference is we have gotten a better chat room provider, which is Discord, which is kind of the pinnacle of good quality chat rooms and just all the capabilities that they give you, such as, again, being able to post pictures like that. So if there are any other questions though, please leave those down below. But as far as what's it like, what does it look like, I hope this video helped. But one final time, if you need more details, just check out the behind the scenes tour. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.